Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete a user from Ubuntu server. And here I will use this Ubuntu installed in WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux as server, and this Ubuntu installed in VMware Workstation as a client. So I will access the server from the client computer and then I will delete a user from that server. To find the IP address of that server, you can use the following command. If config, press enter, and this is the IP address of our server, and I will use this IP address to access this server. To log into a server, you need to type SSH, then the username, at the rate of, then the IP address of that server, which is in our case is 172.19.223 and 225. Press enter, type yes, then give your password. Okay, we are successfully logged into the server. To list the current users, you can use the following command. Then press enter, and here is the list of our user, and there is a user named my user, and I will delete this user from this server. Now I will use the del user command to remove a user from the server. Use the following command. Type del user, then use option remove home. It will delete home directory of the user as well. Finally, type the username. Press enter. Give your password. You will see done at the end. So the process is completed. Now to check if the user is deleted or not, you can use this command. Press enter and see there is no my user here. So I have successfully deleted my user from the server. Now type exit to exit from the server.